Hey people, so we are at this place called Theobroma and Theobroma Pastry, Bakery, Chocolate and Cafe. So Ayush, how does it taste? Can you take the first bite of this and tell me? So this place is very interesting. This is in Sindhi Colony in Secunderabad, and it's a very cute kind of cafe. So Ayush, take a bite with your just regular, and I'll take a bite of this. That was a overload chocolate brownie, and this was, what was this, Ayush? Chocolate tart. Ooh. So I'll take a bite of this. Decent. It's nice. How is this, Ayush? So this is a very nice cozy place to be, and we are here on a Friday, and I'm glad I came. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.